What is up, Web3 crew? Krista Tumon's right here at Turkey, Istanbul, which is Solana Crossroads, and I'm with Mr. Nika of DeFi Land. How are you today?
Feeling amazing. Awesome to be, glad to be here.
And how's Solana Crossroads so far?
It feels exciting. It's a lot of people, a lot of cool, amazing friends that I've been meeting here, as well as the environment is awesome, amazing booth. The vibe is immaculate. Everything's perfect.
Awesome. So is this your first time to be part of Solana Crossroads as an exhibitor?
As an exhibitor, yes. I've been as a speaker for the last 3 years. Today we got the chance to be at the booth as well and meet a lot of amazing community members, and it's exciting to be here.
Awesome. So tell us more about DeFi Land and what's the story behind the company?
Definitely. So DeFi Land is a web game development studio. We've been building games already for 4 years. DeFi Land is actually the first ever game to launch on Solana, and we have done a bunch of different things. Currently we have 4 different games already, and the latest one that we have that's launching is a farming game on mobile, which is like a farm world crypto game, but everything has its own chain, and it's really amazing and exciting game to play. So we have a bunch of different amazing, cool little mini games and complete AAA games as well, and we're excited to launch new stuff and see how that goes.
I'm so excited about it too. So what makes your company stand out from all the competitors if you do have?
I do believe that there have been a lot of people trying to build Web3 games, but everyone is either lacking on execution from Web2 to Web3 balance, and I do believe that the DeFi Land is the perfect balanced game for both Web2 traditional gamers who just want to have fun and enjoy the gaming, while it's also pretty exciting for the Web3 gamers because you can use all your NFTs, portfolio coins, bunch of different smart contracts directly from the game as well. So it combines both worlds really nicely and balances. If you're just a Web2 gamer, you can just enjoy your stuff, and even if you just want to enjoy your Web3 stuff, you can do the same as well. So it just has this unique niche audience to our product.
And what are your targeted audiences?
So the goal for us at the beginning was just the Web3 power users, but then as we developed the more games, currently our primary goal is to bring Web2 casual and hyper-casual gamers to crypto to Web3. So that's what we're targeting for. We're going for the European market first, but then we're going to be going for the US. That's the main kind of the goal for us.
We're excited to hear about that too for US as well, for the US users. And after Solana Crossroads, where are you heading to next? Any upcoming events or future projects to launch?
Yeah, so we're going to be attending several different more conferences. Like we're going to be going to Dubai to talk in 20 as well. And we have a bunch of different kind of upcoming releases. The game that's behind our screen, behind us on the screen, is actually going to go live in approximately 3 to 4 weeks. And we have another game that is not here presented yet, but like we have another game coming in 1 to 1.5 months as well. Entire different new genre RPG racing game. So yeah, really, really excited. We've been working on those for 2 years in a stealth mode in development. So cannot really wait to fully launch it and publish it and just see how people will love it.
All right, so guys, stand by for the launch of their game. And what else? So after Solana Crossroads, are you going to be with Token 2049 as well?
Yeah, we're going to be there. We don't have a booth there, but we have a lot of different meetings with investors, our friends and partners, and it should be really, really amazing. We're going to be getting really good groundwork for the launch of the games that we have.
Okay, so are you guys open for collaborations as well?
100%. We're pretty open to any kind of collaborations. We have, for example, in our games, we have Jupiter, Radium, and a bunch of different DeFi protocols already integrated in the game. So if you are a DeFi protocol, if you're a game, if you are the investor, partner, whoever you are, you feel free to DM us on Twitter or Discord and Telegram. We would love to chat and just see how we collaborate.
Thank you so much, Nika. I have a last question. What do you think is the future of money?
Future of money. It's 100% on blockchain. There is no other way. I've been working in the financial industry for 5 years in the biggest banks in our region, and just knowing inside cuisine of how everything is complicated, how it is so much heavily regulated, and it's just so bad that like there is no way that you know that and you don't really respect the decentralized system. So I do believe Bitcoin is the future, of course. That's how we roll. But I do believe that Solana is the chain to facilitate all the transactions, all the infrastructure for the big companies, big corporations, and also for the retail. So future of the money is Bitcoin and Solana, the stable coins, and all different DeFi stuff that we're gonna see soon.
You just said Bitcoin, and I have a very personal questions. How long have you been in the crypto space?
I've been here for since 2016. That's like when I got really involved in there. But before I had some Bitcoin actually for 2014. We won. Me and my friend, we actually won in a different kind of hackathon there was, and we were given 5 Bitcoin, and it was like by that time I don't even know, like several dollars. We sold that and bought the ice creams by that time, I remember. So, but yeah, it's that's like a sad story. But I got really heavily involved in 2016. I started trading, and since then I've never left.
All right. Thank you so much, Nika. Thank you. It was nice meeting you. And now describe Solana Crossroads in 3 words. Let's go.
3 words. Damn, that's hard. Exciting,
Yeah.
unmatched.
Yeah.
Exciting, unmatched, and vibes.
Alright.
Vibes. It's all about the vibes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Nika. There you have it, guys. I hope you get a lot of insights from him. This is me, Chris at 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.